morning, guys. It is Tuesday and it's a little bit cloudy. It's supposed to rain all day today, so it's cool, but I'm enjoying a little bit of quiet time on the porch. Just about ready to sit down and start editing some of the vlog and get it out from yesterday before we head out for the day. So yeah, it's just before 8 o'clock. Kids just woke up, which is awesome because they finally slept in. And Joel's still passed out because he's pretty tired. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my coffee, my laptop, I'm gonna start editing. And I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful view and the quiet and just relax. It is just a little bit before lunchtime, and I was trying to upload a video and it just wouldn't work, so kind of gave up on that because it's time to go get lunch. It's raining. These two feel that it's not necessary to wear a jacket in the rain.
And these are what our bat planes looked like when they were finished yesterday. So we're uploading a new video today, a brand new. Wait, but I want it to move.
So we're just waiting for Joel to come out, and then we're gonna head out, and I think we're gonna get some lunch. And I think the place is called Who Hut. It's really fun. They've never been there, so we'll do that. And then I think we're gonna go catch a movie, and we haven't decided if we're gonna see one all together or if we're gonna separate because we're kind of divided on what we want to watch. So we will see.
Where's Dad?
There's Daddy. He's coming.
Okay, I need to go to get this.
It's kind of chilly, huh?
Hey, Dad. Suicide over here.
Looks chilly. Is it chilly?
It's nothing.
Looks chilly.
It's nothing. Nothing.
How was your movie? You want to tell everybody how your movie was? How was the movie, Ezra?
The movie was like, it wasn't even PG-13.
Was it good though?
Yeah.
You can have one.
One more.
Just one.
I already had one.
I'm gonna go put shoes on and jackets because it's cold.
Can you get my sleeve out, please? Come on.
Your sleeve. Chew it. Joel had taken them to go see a movie. I'm not even clear right now. And I did some shopping. And now he went to see another movie which they couldn't see because it was too scary, and I brought them back, and I guess we're gonna go down to the pool again even though it's raining and it's cold. We're just gonna go sit in the hot tub. So are you gonna sit in the hot tub or are you gonna go swimming?
And the movie was Wonder Woman.
Yeah, was it good?
How long was it?
Very good.
It was long as an hour and 43 minutes, 36 seconds.
You can't bring the flashlight down, it'll get wrecked, honey.
The minutes and seconds were just the credits. Come on. We watched all the credits. Look into this. I promise me it won't turn on, right?
Did you break it?
Oh, what's that?
Now let's go swimming. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Right here.
Jerseys.
Fruit.
Not fruit. What's the music thing called?
Rabbit.
Recorder. Don't wreck them, guys. They're just paper.
Okay. And wait, I got rainbow.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Rainbow. Rhinoceros! I said rainbow before you.
And Asen gets those ones.
Yes.
Ready?
One picture.
Alright.
Go.
Race car.
Remote.
There you go. Alright.
You're too good. And then we count them at the end.
Sure, you can count them?
Okay.
Asking.
Asen, do you have a 10? Go fish. I'll probably get a 10. Oh, I got a 5 again. Do you have
Who?
a... Okay. Mom, Ethel, do you have a 9? Go fish. Oh my god, you guys are bad.
Asen, do you have a 9?
Yeah. No. At least whoever has the most.
Alright, so it's already bedtime. Didn't really get a lot of filming done today. It was kind of a yucky day with the rain. So
Asen,
we are going to call it a night. I'm going to put monkeys to bed. And hopefully it's not raining tomorrow and we can go on a hike. So, yeah. Time to go to bed. No more vlog. Alright, good night guys. Bye.